So, next. Baby, bara, mami, mama. Hi!
Hi everyone! Welcome to another day of Isla's activities for our homeschooling. And we started late. Pero kayo, kamusta kayo? I hope everything is doing well with you. So ngayon, since we started late, because we have stuff na kailangan gawin at tapusin, magsasnack muna si Isla bago tayo mag-activity. And then later on, we'll see kung makapag-snack ulit siya. Okay? Okay. While Isla is having her snack, parang hindi natin nasayang yung time. Kasi, alam mo naman, pwede naman natin kasi review lang naman ito. Anyway, here is our letterboard. So, may whiteboard dito and may blackboard dito. For the chalk, this is for the whiteboard marker. And, ayan, didikit muna natin to. It comes with the magnetic na na alphabets and numbers dyan. Tapos, and of course, the letter X. There. Dito. Let's start. Are you ready? Okay. So, i-review ko lang siya ng mga alphabets niya na alam niya. And then, mag-introduce na lang tayo ng others. Although, sa ating mga activities prepared or all throughout, may mga, mga alphabet tayong nakaset. So, no worries. Hindi ko naman siya ipe-pressure. It's just that, ini-introduce ko lang para hindi na rin ako mahirapan. Tsaka, diba, kilala naman natin yung, yung capacity ng ating anak. So, why not, diba? So, let's explore ganyan with them. Okay? So, ready? Okay. What letter is this?
E as in apple.
And then this one.
B as in dog.
Ball.
Ball.
Okay, so Isla just finished her snacks. Okay na? Yummy? Okay. So, nakapag-review na rin kami ng alphabet. So, nilagay na natin dyan. Yan. As I was saying, here's our daily envelope. Here's our daily envelope. So, ngayon, let's proceed.
Yeah.
Story time! Are you excited to your story for today? Nuuna ko talaga yung story kasi she's very interested sa storytelling, no? Yes. The story's title for today is The Lion and the Mouse.
The lion and the mouse.
A lion was once sleeping in the jungle when a mouse started running up and down his body. We just finished reading the story, The Lion and the Mouse, and I have prepared here a coloring activity. Yan. So ito, may activities tayong gagawin dyan later on. So ganyan ko siya ginagawa. Nandiyan na lahat. Okay, para hindi ako mahirapan. Isla just finished her coloring activity, yung Lion and the Mouse. So now let's proceed sa ibang, let's now proceed sa other artworks na pwede niyang gawin. So, I'll discuss to you yung mga materials na kailangan. I have here paper plate. Yan. Pero kinat ko lang yung edge niya kasi medyo malaki. So, para sa akin malaki siya. We have here strips of papers para dun sa hair. And again, marker. And we have here some colored papers also. So, may mga colored papers din tayo dito for other designs. So, we also need a glue, syempre, para idikit natin yung mga papers. So, that's the finished product. Our next activity naman is our mouse. So, yung puppet natin. So, we will put this muna dito. Papatuin pa natin yung glue. Okay? So, the materials needed naman para sa ating mouse, as I said, is itong white paper bag. You can also use the brown paper bag. Diba?
lang ito.
Then, a pre-cut na clothes niya. So, yun yung clothes niya. Magiging jumper lang ang kanyang susuotin, and then pre-cut ears and this. So we also need glue, marker. Just finished the lion and the mouse activity. So, syempre, nauna muna ito after ng story, her coloring activity. And then, of course, what did you finish pa? Show them.
The lion.
The lion, there.
No.
And her mouse puppet. We also made a little one there. So this one, ang ginamit namin dito is yung coin envelope. Kaya cute lang siya. And then this is the white one. Now let's proceed na sa tracing ulit. She already knows how to identify this shape. So ngayon, ipapractice na naman natin yung writing skill niya. So ititrace na lang yung mga shapes. And then, while we are doing this, magtatanungan kami kung ano yung mga nakikita niyong ganyang shape. So, I also downloaded this one. And I will just write the description na lang dyan sa link. Or, I mean, yung link sa description box. So, yun. So, I'll let her trace it first. And that's it. I have more here. Wow! Yan naman. So, she'll be tracing this again. And I think she's enjoying... Are you enjoying tracing lines?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's tracing lines and shapes. So, minamaster talaga natin.
But can I make something
there? Easily again finish this one. There you go. Next activity is this one. We have prepared. Ta-da!
Wow!
This is what we call I Spy. So, I will ask something. Here are the shapes na kailangan kong tanungin. And we have two kasi. It's windy. We have two here. You count the abang.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many?
4.
Very good. 4. So, that's number 4. And then, of course, every activity, syempre, nagkakaroon tayo ng ito yung reward chart namin. Activities of is lower 7. Ang first natin is yung reviewing ng alphabets and then nag-introduce tayo ng bagong alphabets. And then, the second one is yung the story natin na the lion and the mouse. So, yung the lion and the mouse natin is yung meron siyang tatlong activities. Yung drawing activity, the making of the lion, and the puppet na mouse. And then, the next one was the tracing of the shapes. And then, the I Spy. So, she counted the shapes na meron doon sa ating chart. And then, the next one is the tracing the numbers. So, yun po yung mga naging activities ng ating isla. So, here's her reward chart. So, that's 7 all in all. Okay? So, we are happy again that you were with us. Thank you everyone for watching. See you again on our next homeschool. Bye! Mommy Mousey, where are you?
Here I am, I'm with you.
Baby Mousey, where are you?
Here I am, how do you feel?
Daddy Lion, where are you?
Here I am. How you do?
Bye!
Bye. See you next